One of the biggest things I see coaches that want to create a successful coaching business lack, and that's vision. You need a crystal clear vision in order to create the roadmap to that success that you desire. Now, the important thing to remember is we want structured freedom. So while we want to create that roadmap, we might divert from it every once in a while. This means that we have the roadmap, we know what we need to do, but it's always important to look back, see what's working, what's not working, and then refine it, reflect on it, and move forward. Take that in which is working and do more of it. When you can think of it in like the direction, like when you're thinking about it, taking a day trip or going on a road trip for a week, there are going to be times when you need to stop at the convenience store to fill up for gas. There might be times when you see an attraction that you want to pull over and check out. Think of your business the same way. You need to have a roadmap. You have to have a destination, but without a destination, you're just wandering. You don't know what you want to create. You don't know what it looks like or how you're going to get there. So it's really important to lay in those foundations. This is what creates action. So vision creates action. And then you take those action steps daily and you fill up that pipeline. So 90 days from now, you know exactly what's going to happen, right? You're keeping your eye out for the results. It takes about 90 days, that stuff that you're doing right now, the stuff that you're doing today, you are pouring into a concept we call a funnel, okay? And you're filling that up. So if you're just dropping like one prospect in and then waiting, it's probably going to evaporate by the time before it gets to the bottom, okay? So you want to take all these back-end operations that we do. If you don't know what they are, that's the Evolution 10X method. You want to take all these operations, daily operations like prospecting, creating awareness, making sure that your forecasting and your events are happening and lead generators being put out there. You want to make sure that all these mechanisms are operating so that you're taking a bucket every day and you're pouring a bucket into that funnel system. And what it's going to do is it's going to fill that funnel system. And in 90 days, you're going to start seeing results. You can't just put one TikTok out there and expect to see something happening. You have to be filling all of your social media. You have to be filling your sales funnels, right? So awareness, bringing awareness to the world about who you are. But then you have to be doing all the sales strategies because those are the ones that are going to monetize it. Social media is not a sales strategy. It is a marketing strategy. We are filling our funnel full of all of the strategies so that we can have that success in 90 days that we want to achieve. Now, if you want more content like this, please like and follow. Comment below to let me know what it is that you're looking for. Where is your gap? Do you know where your gaps are in your business? Because the sooner you get clear on what you need to learn and just tell me what it is, the more value I can bring to these videos for you. I am Lynn Louise, the Cosmic Valkyrie and your business coach.